Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make muffins banana, only ways. Mash bananas until smooth, then whisk in eggs, melted butter, and sugar until combined. Fold in sifted flour and baking powder gently, add a splash of vanilla. Spoon batter into lined muffin tin, filling 2/3 full, and bake until golden and a toothpick comes out clean. Cool briefly before serving for best texture and flavor. In this video, I will show how to make muffins banana, only ways. Start by combining wet ingredients in one bowl and dry in another to prevent overworking gluten. Gently fold dry ingredients into wet using a spatula, scraping the sides and bottom to ensure even mixing without developing toughness. Toss any nuts or chips in a little flour before adding to batter so they stay suspended. Avoid vigorous stirring. A few streaks of flour are okay. In this video, I will show how to make muffins banana, only ways. Quick recommendation. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. On another note, I love these socks I'm wearing. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They make standing and baking more comfortable. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make muffins banana, only ways. Always preheat your oven and position racks in the center for even heat distribution. Use an ice cream scoop or 2 spoons to portion batter evenly to achieve uniform muffins. Rotate the pan once halfway through if your oven heats unevenly. Check doneness at the minimum time listed in the recipe and allow muffins to cool slightly in the tin before transferring to a rack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.